Hi, I am Jared Stengis from 3-9, and today I will be sharing one of the most famous stories in the Philippine literature, Ibong Adarna. The author is unknown, but the lessons about kindness, patience, and forgiveness never gets old. They say the song of the Ibong Adarna can heal any sickness, but catching it takes courage and pure heart. So let's dive into this magical story and see what makes it special. The story starts in the kingdom of Verbania. King Fernando and Queen Valerina have their three sons, Don Pedro, Don Diego, and the youngest Don Juan. One day, the king became very sick. No one knows how to cure him, until they heard about the magical bird called Ibong Adarna, whose song can heal any illness. So, the king asked his son to find the bird and bring it back. First, Don Diego goes into the journey, Rodinia Kinaya. Then Don Juan follows it, but he also fell. Finally, Don Juan, the youngest and the kindest among them, decide to go. Unlike his brother, he doesn't rely on pride. He's humble and patient. On his journey, he meets an old hermit who gives him important advice and a few magical things to help him. The hermits warn him that the Ibong Adarna sing he must stay awake. Kasi kapag natamaan siya ng dumi ng ibon, magiging bato siya. So Don Juan ties himself to a tree and prick his skin with a needle to keep himself awake. When the Ibong Adarna finished its 7 songs, he captured it successfully. When Don Juan came back home, the Ibong Adarna sing for the king, and his sickness is cured. Pero dahil sa inggit, Don Pedro and Don Diego betrayed Don Juan. They beat him and leave him in the forest. They take the bird home and claim all the credit. But the Ibong Adarna refused to sing or eat until Don Juan returned. When the truth is revealed, the king forgives him older sons, and Don Juan, being the kind person he is, forgives them too. Later, the 3 brothers go on another journey and meet 3 beautiful princes, Doña Juana, Doña Leonora, and Doña Maria Blanca. Don Juan faced a lot of challenges: enchanted wells, dangerous creatures, and magical tastes. Through it all, he stayed brave, humble, and loyal. He falls in love with the Princess Maria Blanca, who helps him survive any trials. But sadly, his brother betrayed him again. Despite of everything, Don Juan chose to forgive. In the end, Don Juan proves that greatness isn't about being the strongest. It's about having a kind and forgiving heart. The Ibong Adarna song symbolizes healing, hope. Just like Don Juan, goodness heals the people around him. For me, Ibong Adarna isn't just a story about a magical bird. It's about the power of kindness and forgiveness. Don Juan could have chosen revenge, but instead he chose peace. It reminds us that no matter how many times people hurt us, choosing to give makes us stronger. The story also teaches that envy and pride destroy relationships. But love and humility can fix even the deepest wounds. So if you haven't read Ibong Adarna, I really recommend it. It's a full lessons that still matter about family, patience, staying kind, even the life gets hard.
One is the loneliest number that you'll